Hey guys, today we are going to talk something about multiverse and try to understand the concept of multiverses. Multiverse is just another world, just like our world or our earth. There exists where there exists many earths, but with different possibilities or different timelines. We can say by possibilities I mean that there may exist a earth with India as an North Asian country. Like we know in our world, the earth is a South Asian country, but there may exist a earth where there is a possibility that the earth is a North Asian country. Multiverses can have different timelines, different possibilities, different laws of physics, just like us, but with different possibilities. So, for instance, we can say there may exist a world where I am a girl, where I am the president, like this. Let me adjust this. Yeah. So, there is a theory about multiverses. Like the theory says, I don't know, it is from the Stephen Hawking or what, but there is a theory. I didn't have much research on it. That theory says that multiverses exist with every possibility which is possible, like whatever we can think of is existing in some other world, in some other multiverse, in some other earth, that I can imagine anything and such possibility exists. So this theory says that uh, this theory says there exists multiverses with each and every possibility, anything that you can think of. But there is a flaw in this theory, according to me. Like, for instance, mm, according to this theory, if I can imagine anything, whatever I'm going to tell now onwards, must be happening in some other multiverse. Must be, because this theory tells us that every single possibility exists in some other world or some other multiverse, whatever you can say. So whatever I'm going to say from now onwards must be happening somewhere. This may sound childish or whatever, so let me make it clear. Suppose there is an earth which has developed the technology that much that now uh, it is able to access multiverse and has the technology to wipe out any planet in just few seconds with a destructive element or bomb or something. So suppose that earth wants to destroy us. Now why we are supposing, because this is a possibility and this can exist, and according to that theory that every possibility exists, this must be happening somewhere. So that earth is planning to attack us and wipe us out, like destroy completely. Then it has that much advanced equipments, advanced destructive elements, that it can uh, destroy us in few seconds. So suppose it launches that destructive element towards us and we are going to uh, be destroyed in just seconds. The thing is, if such earth exists and it has already launched the destructive element on us, how are we still alive? Like, how we are surviving such possibilities if those possibilities exists? So for instance, So this is the thing that how we are surviving. So here the theory fails, uh, because if someone has developed that much technology and attacking us, how we are defending? So there we can see this problem with a different perspective also. Like if uh, for example we can take for anything there is an opposite thing existing. Like for fire there is water. I don't know if you have ever heard of antimatter, but first of all, what is matter? Matter is just something that occupies some space and has some fixed mass or volume. So matter, we all know about that. Like I am a matter, this solid thing, everything is matter. So there exists a thing called antimatter, which whenever it comes in contact with matter, destroys it on the spot. I mean, on that instance of time. So for example, uh, for like for fire there is ice. So likewise, there may exist an anti possibility for a possibility. Like if earth wants to destroy us, this is a possibility. And if every possibility exists, so its anti possibility will also exist. Like if one earth is attacking us, then other anti earth is defending us with equal power and equal technology, which overall cancels out cancel out the net effect on us. Like I have made a diagram here. I hope you can see that. Just ignore my handwriting. It's a just rough sketch. Yeah, here. If number of attacking possibilities are existing, then there is also possibility that there will be equal and corresponding there, like this is attacking in this way, this is defending in this way, then the net effect will be zero. Like the equal number of earths attacking will result in equal number of earth defending, because there, according to that theory, there is existence of each and every possibility. So for any possibility there will be an anti possibility. And also in our world, in our earth, Newton's laws of motion are also applicable. So we can say that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, because all laws of physics in our solar system, there is a law about this. So for every action earth there will be an resulting reaction earth, which will cancel out the effect of both the earths on us. So that's why we are surviving and still intact from those attacking earths and those. But there is still a possibility, according to this theory, that the net effect on us would not be zero. Because if everything, if every other possibility, everything we can imagine is existing somewhere, then there will also exist a possibility that the attacking earths versus defending earths will not cancel out, and we would be still destroyed completely. But this is not happening. So that's why I can say that this theory fails in somewhat manner, or whatever we can say. But from this anti thing, that for every possibility there will be an anti possibility, we can say that multiverses exist in pairs. For a multiverse which has some certain effect on us, there is also an anti multiverse which will cancel out the effect of this multiverse on us, and the net effect overall is zero. So from here we can conclude that the number of multiverses is even because they exist in pairs. So this multiverse, anti-multiverse, this multiverse, its corresponding anti-multiverse. So at last we can say that the multiverses may exist in pairs and the number of total multiverses existing is even. But here is another perspective we can think of, that they together don't cancel out each other. like like the net effect on us is zero, but they may not exist in pairs for the entire thing anti-thing to happen. Like for multiverse there is an anti-multiverse, but they can exist in cycles. Like this multiverse affect on us, this multiverse affect on us, this multiverse affect on us, and their overall net effect is zero. But they exist in cycles. They exist three cycles, can be of any. Let me explain this through a diagram. I have made this. Here you can see that uh, this earth, like imagine this is the earth, this earth affects on this affects this affects this, and the overall effect on us is zero. And these cycles can be of any size, there can be of four earth. This earth affects this affects this affects this, and this affects this, and the overall effect is zero. So previously we were talking about that they exist in pairs, but to cancel out the effect, the overall net effect, we can think it as an there is a possibility that they can exist in cycles of 3, cycles of 4 earth, cycle of 5 earth, up to infinity, cycles of infinity earth. So from this, and infinity is neither even nor odd. So from here we can't say the number of multiverses existing is even or odd, or they exist in pairs, because the net effect is happening on us is zero right now, because nothing unusual is happening on our earth. So maybe multiverses are not infinite, they are finite in number, and they exist with certain possibilities, certain particular possibilities, and not just random everything we can think of. Who knows, maybe. Share your views about this in the comment section, and we can discuss other topics also if you want. This is my first video. I hope you enjoy this, and maybe the session was brainstorming or whatever. All right, bye guys.